Hello techies, welcome back to Dubai Tech Hub. Today we are going to see about an issue of installing TikTok application in the Android mobile. Not only for TikTok, if you face this issue in installing any of the Android application, we can use this solution to resolve this issue. So I was facing this issue since long time. So I try to find a solution for this. Let's get into the video now. Okay, for clearing this issue, we have to go to settings, and in settings you have to navigate through the applications, which is apps. Okay, and search for Play Store or Play Services, Google Play Services. Okay, and here in Google Play Services we have to clear the storage, which is cache memory, as well as this full other data also. So we have to clear this cache memory and other data. So clear data, go to clear data, and in the bottom you can see clear all data. So click on that and click delete if the confirmation is popping up for you. Okay, then come back and uninstall updates by clicking on the three dots on the top. Okay, once done, go back and now search for Google Play Store. Okay, in this Google Play Store, again we have to clear the cache data, which is clear cache, and then come back and uninstall updates by clicking on the three dots on the top right. Then click OK. After uninstalling, come back to the home screen. And now open the Play Store. Search for TikTok. Okay, and now try to install the application. It should go through now and it should install in your mobile now. Okay, let's see what's happening for me. Okay, it was taking me a long time, and I have minimized this Play Store and closed from the background, and I have opened again and go to my apps and updates. So the TikTok starts installing. Okay, once this downloading gets finished, it will install in the background and it will show you the installing also. So this installation takes me long time. Little bit I have trimmed it. Okay, so once done, this page will come. Check for updates and make sure that there is no updates. Okay, that's it. Now the TikTok is available in your mobile. It is installed successfully, so you can use the TikTok as usually. Okay guys, I hope you have learned through this video. Let's see in the another video. Until then, this is Sheikh signing off. Bye techies.